Welcome to nurtechsolution. Today I gonna show you how you can use Microsoft Excel for your office or maybe for your company or maybe for your house or education, something like that. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to go to your computer where you keep the Microsoft Excel software. You need to go over there. So when you go over there, then you need to double click that. Okay, so when you double click it, it's gonna pop up like this kind of page. So when you see this kind of page, then you can, if you go to left hand side, you can see maybe it's under your name is registered. Okay, the next one is home, so whatever you did the job is all should be in home. Then next one you can see is set new. So we are working new right now, so I'm gonna show you in new option. Okay, so here is the blank workbook. Then you can see you have lots of template in here, so you can choose any template you need from here. Okay, so that's make your life easy and simple. Or you can go to the search button, then you can search whatever you need. Suppose I'm gonna put in invoice. Okay, so if I search invoice, I can see lots of format comes in invoice in here, so I can pick anything from here, then I can edit it. Okay, but I'm gonna show you in the blank workbook for today. You don't need to worry about that. So when you double click that on, you're gonna see this kind of page will pop up. So this is the main sheet of the Excel. Okay, we are under home now, so you can see the paste, cut, copy. So you have under the home, you have lots of option, so you don't need to worry about that. So I'm gonna show you like the main and basic things right now. Okay, so next one is the insert. Then you can go to draw something if you want to draw, then page layout, then formulas, then date, reviews, views, tell me, anything you can do. Okay, just in here. So right now you can see this is the main page of the sheet. Okay, so when you see the main sheet of the page, you can see A, B, C, D is top, and left hand side you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Okay, so if you click A, that means this is a column. Okay, A column. Now B column, C column, D column, so that's called column. Okay, so if you left hand side click, is set row. So 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row. Okay, so 5 row, so that's called the row. Okay, so then if you come in the bottom is set sheet, so that's the on sheet whatever we are working. You can see the plus sign. If you click plus, then it will make you more sheets. So now you have 4 sheets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you don't like that, you need to delete something, then you can go to last one, go to your mouse, and then click your right button and delete, click your right button and delete, something like that. Okay, so now we have just one sheet. We will work in this sheet. If you come the bit down in the corner, you can see you can make it bigger or smaller, whatever you want. So that's how it's look like. You can look very good way, so that's why you gonna make it bigger. Not it means it will make your like the job bigger. Okay, so just it's look bigger, so that's how you can work properly. So that's the things. Okay, you can see you can change the format, or you can, if you like, you can make your writing bigger or something like that. So it's depend up to you. Have lots of choice in here. Okay, or you can fill all the cell with like the full of color as well, so I'm gonna show you later. Or you can put your written with the color as well. Okay, so now if you see the first one, I gonna show, suppose on company, suppose ABC company, I gonna write down, and I gonna put under that company maybe I buy something, and I gonna show you something like that. Okay, so suppose ABC company, I write down here. You can see it's come, maybe Y comes inside the B. Actually it doesn't come, it's something like illusion. Okay, so actually it's under the A column, plus it's inside the A cell. Okay, so suppose you can fix it up, like if you come in here, just you're gonna hold the mouse and you're gonna make it here and there. That's how you can see properly. Okay, so you can do this way as well if you want, or you can keep writing whatever. Now you can come in the next one is set, you can put in the date. Okay, suppose if you want to go the next one on the right hand side, then you can put tab. If you put tab, it will go to next one. Or you can use your keypad. There is like, you can see the arrow button, top, bottom, whatever, like right hand side, left hand side, you can use the arrow button as well. So it's depend up to you. So suppose I am coming down, I'm going up, something like that. Okay, So if you want to write down something, you have to always give the double click inside the cell, then you can write down. Okay, so suppose I gonna write down something here, I double click in here, now I gonna put it details, so what kind of things I bought. Okay, so next on I gonna put, suppose in here, numbers, so how many I bought. So next on I gonna put maybe suppose price, so how much was the price of the particular product. Okay, so when you written everything in here, then you need to suppose date, what date you buy. So suppose I bought something 6 or 4 2022 something, that's the date. Okay, so suppose I bought maybe some pen, and number maybe 100 of pens I bought, and price was $25, something like that. Okay, so suppose the first one, so you already entered, so your first details whatever you bought. Suppose I gonna give here the dollar sign, that will be more easy to understand. Okay, then suppose 6th of the same month, 6 4 2022 I bought some pencils. Okay, so how many pencils? Suppose I bought 50 pencils, and the price was suppose approximately $18. Okay, then next maybe this month I bought something around 10/05 2022. Suppose I bought something is called papers. Okay, so maybe I bought 10 boxes of papers, so then it could be the price is $30. Okay, then maybe last month I bought something maybe on computer and I forget to enter, so I gonna put now I gonna make the entry of that. So suppose 16/04/2022 I bought on computer for my office to keep my record, suppose this kind of record. Okay, so the computer I'm gonna make C for capital letter. Okay, so how many numbers maybe on computer, and the price was approximately $500. Okay, so $500. So when, so this is the basic things I put, so you can put 100,000 whatever you need. Okay, so suppose next one I gonna write down is total, how much was total price I bought for my company. Okay, so now it's look like this, it doesn't look like very good, so we need to organize bit now these things. Okay, you can see ABC company, you could just click that on, and if you just hold your mouse until the end of D, then what you need to do, then we're gonna merge it, or that means we're gonna put ABC company on the middle. Okay, so if you go to up, you can see the merge and center, the option in here, then you can see on arrow is here, so you have some option in here, so you can use anything you need, but I'm gonna go to merge and center. You can see now it's ABC company comes on the top or and in the middle as well. Okay, so that's how you can merge and make it center. Okay, so this on, it doesn't look like as well, not good, so I'm gonna select it again, same with your mouse select, and you can see you can do on the left hand side middle or right hand side, so I'm gonna make it middle, so that's why it's look like very nice. Okay, so you can do whatever you want, so that's the easiest way. Okay, so now total I gonna make this one in the middle as well, so that's why I have to select this one, then need to go to merge and center. You can see it's come in the center as well. Okay, so now ABC company I gonna do something to show you like how you can change the I gonna make it full of the cell to color. You can see, just go to that one and you can color the whole area. That's how it's look like, very nice. Now maybe you're gonna make it ABC company bold or italic or underline something, you can do anything whatever you want. So I'm gonna make it bold. Then now if you see like this one, maybe I'm gonna make this one is maybe italic, so that's how it's look like, very pretty. Then I'm gonna write maybe I'm gonna make bit color as well my writing. So suppose I go here and I'm gonna change bit this one, yeah, green should be looking better. Okay, so I gonna go do this one. So when I finish all the things, it look like pretty good, but I think I need to put some of the bounders, so that's how it's gonna look very pretty and its printout look like good as well. So that's why I have to select whole the area whatever I want to give the boundaries. So then I need to select it first, then need to go this one, and you can see the boundaries in here. So you can do like the whatever you want. So I'm gonna go to all boundaries. That's how it will keep the all boundaries. You can see now it's highlighted the boundaries, so it's look like pretty good now. Okay, so next turn I'm gonna keep the boundary. You gonna go to at the int, or you can put it until here. So I'm gonna put until int, then I'm gonna go to boundary, click it, it gives the another boundary as well. Okay, so when you finish this all the things, you can see it's look like pretty good. Now you need to know how much is the total price of your product, okay, whatever you bought. So then you need to go from first to select until your all the product things in until computer. You can see here, then if you come bottom you can see sum. So you can see how much is altogether your price of that, or you can go here is set auto sum. Okay, if you go to auto sum, just click that on, and you see it's already filled out total $573. So that's how you can do. You have more options as well here. So that's the advanced levels thing, so I don't need to worry about that. Just I'm gonna show you the basic things of Excel sheet. So when you finish everything like that, so you have like some more option as well. You can draw or insert or something. If you need to be polished to give something, you can make some polish something. Okay, you can write down some extra things as well. So when you are happy with your org, then you need to save this org. So you need to go to save. You can see top is here, just click that on, and it said save as. What's the name? You can keep the name. I'm gonna suppose put it's ABC company. Okay, so ABC companies sheets I make. So then if I go in here, where I gonna keep it, I gonna put suppose desktop, then is the Excel's workbook is set, and I gonna save it. So when I save it, if I minimize this one, and if I go to my uh, desktop, I can see in here. Okay, so this already saved to save on my desktop. Okay, then if you go to file, and you can see here said is print, you can print this thing. Now I don't have printer added in here, so suppose if you need, you can go and add printer. When you add the printer, you can see here is the printing option, you can print from here. Or if you want to save as a PDF, you can see here it said PDF. Just go here and you can see save as PDF. You can save that on, and it will save where the company ABC company desktop, then save. So it's already saved at desktop as well. So that's how I can open this and have a look. It's look like this. So that's easy to send to your boss or something, or maybe printing whatever you want. Okay, so that's how you can make your work and life easy with Excel sheet. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you believe this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Until that, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.